Annyeonghaseyo, good morning Kinshin.
Annyeonghaseyo, good morning.
So today was your 30 days to receive 50 pesos from Chocominim.
Chocominim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, kamsahamnida. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, good evening Kinshin.
Annyeonghaseyo, good evening.
So you're next. So before tamo proceed og basa, introduce yourself first.
Annyeonghaseyo. Chunonyo do salchong hakyo elhangyo kinshinimida.
Okay, so ready na?
Fighting.
Okay, fighting. So same lagi hapon mo basahon ha. All L1 man parehas basahon. So what is the title of the story?
Clever Mat.
Okay, go.
Clever Mat. A young man named Matt served an old helmet well. So the
Hermit.
helmet gave him a magic lamp. When Matt
Rub.
rubbed the lamp, a giant appeared and
Said.
said, I am your
Slave.
slave. Give me work or I'll eat everything around me. Matt told the giant to grow crops in his field. The giant completed the work and came back for more. Matt thought of a plan. He said in Jackson, straighten my dog's tail. The giant tried for this, but could not straighten the tail of the dog. He grew tired and apologized. Matt forgave him, and they lived as friends from that day. Moral: quick wit away
Always
always comes handy.
Okay.
Samida.
Okay, that's it. Annyeonghaseyo, good evening Andrea.
Annyeonghaseyo, good evening.
So before we continue our reading test, is introduce yourself first.
Annyeonghaseyo, Chanonyo Dosal Chorakyo, Samangyon Andrea Elmida.
Okay, so ready na?
Fighting.
Okay, fighting. So start na. So you will read the story. The title is Clever Matt. Young
man named Matt served an old helmet with wheel, so the helmet gave him a magic lamp. When Matt grabbed the lamp, a giant appeared and said, giant, I am your
Slave.
Give me
Slave.
Slave. Give me work or all eat.
I'll
I'll eat if
everything
everything around me. Matt all
told
told the giant to grow grapes and
Crops.
crops
Crops.
and
Field.
filled. The giant completed the work and come back for more math more that
Where? More.
more
Come back for more.
come back for more math ta- to
Thought.
thought of a plan. He said sell
Straighten.
my dog eats
Dogs.
tail
Tail.
tell the giant Turk tried for days but
Could.
could not stare
Straighten.
straighten the lead take
Tail.
tail of the dog. He grabbed
Grow.
tail
Tired.
and appeared
Apologize.
my friends.
Forgive.
I forgive him, and they live
Us.
as friends from that day.
Moral.
Moral quick wit always comes
Handy.
handy. 감사합니다.
Kamsahamnida. Bye-bye, Andrea.
Bye bye.
So, practice more, ha? Pahelp po ka sa imong mama. Not only here in the study room, but also imong mama. Tried po ka matabangi ko practice o basa. Ha? Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Anyo nga sa'yo. Good evening, Chito.
Ano nga sa'yo? Good evening.
So, next na sad ka mo basa. So, before ta mag-start og basa, introduce yourself as tara sa uban.
Ano nga sa'yo? Tuno nyo lansang talakyo o hangyon titimida.
Okay. So, our story is Clever Math.
Clever Matt, a young man named Matt, a served an old hermit well. So the hermit gave him a magic lamp. When Matt rubbed the lamp, a giant appeared and said, I am your slave, give me work or I'll eat everything around me. Matt told the giant to grow crops in his field. The giant completed the work and came back for more. Matt thought of a plan. He said, straighten my dog's tail. The giant tried for days, but could not straighten the tails of the dog. He grew tired,
Tired. Tired.
tired, and apologized. Matt forgave him, and they lived as friends from that day. Moral: quick with
With.
with always comes handy.
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 Okay. So, kamsamida, Chito.
Kamsamida.
So, na-success gid. Okay. Fighting.
Fighting.
Okay. Kamsamida.
Kamsamida.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good evening, Kit.
Sayo.
Okay, so before ta mag-start og basa, introduce yourself first.
안녕하세요. 저는 13살 초등학교 5학년 케이트입니다.
Pang atong kuan. Okay.
Clever Matt. A young boy named Matt.
Ayang man.
A young man named Matt served an old hermit well, so the hermit gave him a magic lamp. When Matt
Rob.
rubbed the lamp, a giant round
Appeared.
appeared and said, I am your
Slave.
slave. Give me work or I'll eat everything around me. Matt told the giant to grow grapes in his field. The giant completed the work and came back for more. Matt thought
Thought.
of a plant. His seed straightened,
Straighten.
then and my
My-
dog's tail. The giant
Tried.
tried for days but could not straighten
Straighten.
straighten
Straighten.
straighten tail of my tail
Of
of the dog. He grew
tired.
tired and apologized. Matt forgave him and they live as friends from that day. Moral:
Quick.
it
With.
with always come handy.
Handy. Comes handy.
Comes handy.
Okay. Kamsamida.
Samida.
So, kulbaan gyapon. Fighting.
Fighting.
Okay. So, kamsamida. Bye-bye.
Kamsahamnida. Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good evening, Grazel.
안녕하세요. Good evening.
So, you are next. So, before ka mag-start og read, kay introduce yourself first.
안녕하세요. 저는 11살 초등학교 6학년 그리셀입니다.
Okay. So, ready na magbasa, Grazel?
Ready, fighting.
Okay. Read the story loud and clear.
Clever Matt. A young man named Matt served an old hermit well, so the hermit gave him a magic lamp. When Matt wrapped the lamp, a giant appeared and said, I am your slave. Give me work or I'll eat everything around me. Matt told the giant to grow crops and he filled his field. giant completed the work and come back for more. Matt thought of a plan. He said, "Straighten my dog's tail." The giant tried for days but could not straighten the tail of the dog. He grew tired,
Tired.
tired and apologized. Matt forgive him and they lived as friends. From that day,
That day.
that day,
Ay, lagi day. Kaya dili na question mark.
from that day,
From that day. Bagsak.
from that day,
Question mark yapon.
from that day,
From that day.
from that day, moral quick wit always comes handy, handy,
Handy.
handy.
Okay, that's it. Kamsahamnida, Grazel.
Kamsahamnida.
Kulba no? Kulba. So, anong kulbaan mo? Kamera raman na inyong katubang. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Annyeonghaseyo. Good evening, Bidang.
안녕하세요. Good evening.
So,
안녕하세요. 저는 도사 초등학교 3학년 이다입니다.
okay. So, read the story loud and clear lang ha. Kusga lang. Ang tingog ha. Okay. Hinay kayo ang phone sa cellphone. Hinay. Paminaw sa dana nila. Mag-visog sa teacher. Okay.
Clever math.
Clever math.
Clever math.
Clever
Clever
math.
Clever math.
Okay.
Ayang man ni math.
Serve
Serve an old hermit with
well.
well. So the hermit gave him a magic
Lamp.
lamp.
When
When Matt wrote
Rub. Rub
rub the
lamp.
lamp,
Mm.
a
Ayan.
giant appeared and
Said
said, "I am your
slave.
slave. Give me
Work.
work or I'll eat everything around me." Matt told the giant to grow crops in his
His field.
field. The giant, of course,
Completed.
completed the work
Work.
and
Came.
came back for more. But I Matt through
Thought.
of a
Plan.
plan. He said, straighten my dog's tail. The giant tried for days, but could but I not straighten the tail of the dog. He
Grow.
grow
Tired.
tired. The
And
and
apologize.
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 Apollo.
apologize. Matt forgive him and they live as
As
friends for
from
from but
that
that day. Moral
quick
quick with a- away always comes handy.
Okay, very good. So at least nahuman. Kapoy isang singot. Ngagtang. Okay. So, kulbaan Vidal. Kulbaan gyapon. Sige, fighting lang gyapon ta, ha? So, more practice pa lang ha. Practice gyapon ta.